Group Project. Group 1 Presentation. Presented by Oscar Sarin. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going on an incredible journey through the history of computing. We'll meet some amazing people who had big ideas and invented things that paved the way for everything from the internet to the smartphone in your pocket. So let's dive in and see how it all started. To really understand where our technology comes from, it helps to get to know the people who made it happen. Each of them took huge leaps to move us forward, and we're going to follow their timeline, from mechanical machines to modern computers. By the end, you'll see how each one contributed to the world of computing that we know today. First up, Charles Babbage, who's known as the father of the computer. Back in the 1830s, Babbage had a revolutionary idea to build a machine that could handle calculations. He called it the difference engine. But his next idea was even more advanced, the analytical engine, which he designed with concepts like memory and programming. He never got to build it, but his ideas laid the groundwork for everything to come. Babbage was definitely a man ahead of his time. Next is Ada Lovelace, often called the first computer programmer. She worked with Babbage and saw that his machine could do more than calculations, it could handle any task with the right programming. Ada wrote what we'd now call the first algorithm, and she even imagined that one day, computers could create music and art. For someone in the 1800s, that's pretty forward-thinking. George Boole, our next pioneer, was a mathematician who created Boolean algebra, a system of logic that's still used in computers today. His work is at the heart of how computers make decisions and process information. Think of Boole as the guy who gave computers the language of logic, making it possible for them to do things like search and sort. It's amazing to think that his work in math still guides computing today. Now we have Konrad Zuse from Germany, who built the Z3, the first fully programmable digital computer. And he did this in 1941. He even created one of the first programming languages, called Plankalkul. Zuse really paved the way for future engineers by showing that a fully electronic and programmable computer was possible. In many ways, he was a true pioneer of computer engineering. Howard Aiken, with help from IBM, built the Harvard Mark I, an early computer that took up an entire room. It used both electrical and mechanical parts, and it could handle complex calculations on a big scale. This project also marked the start of IBM's involvement in computing. Thanks to this partnership, IBM became one of the most important companies in the industry. Eckert and Mauchly were the team behind ENIAC, one of the very first electronic computers. This machine was a game-changer, especially for the military and science, because it could solve equations much faster than ever before. ENIAC opened the door to the world of electronic computers and made it clear that computers had huge potential for a lot of different fields. Frederick Williams and Tom Kilburn created the Manchester Baby, the first computer that could store a program in its memory. This was a big leap because it meant that instructions could be stored directly in the computer. Their work set the stage for the kind of architecture that nearly all computers still use today. At ENIAC, Mauchly and Eckert went on to create UNIVAC, the first commercially produced computer in the US. With UNIVAC, computers were no longer just for research, they started to be used in business and government. This was the start of computers in the commercial world, which is why we can now find them in offices, banks, and beyond. Nathaniel Rochester was the mind behind the IBM 701, IBM's first commercial scientific computer. This machine was powerful and precise, making it perfect for scientific research. The IBM 701 helped establish IBM as a leader in the computing world, and it showed that computers could be valuable tools for advancing science. Jack Kilby's invention of the microchip is a game-changer that affects pretty much every electronic device today. By combining multiple components on a tiny chip, he made it possible to create smaller, faster, and more affordable devices. Without Kilby's microchip, we wouldn't have smartphones, laptops, or modern computers as we know them. Gene Amdahl, working at IBM, designed the System 360, a family of computers that could all work with the same programs. This was revolutionary because it let businesses upgrade their hardware without losing their software. Amdahl's work on System 360 set the standard for compatibility, which is still important in computer systems today. Ed Roberts created the Altair 8800, one of the first personal computers. The Altair was a hit with hobbyists and tech enthusiasts, sparking a home computing revolution. This machine inspired a young Bill Gates and Steve Jobs, and it laid the foundation for the personal computers that are so much a part of our lives now. Don Estridge and William C. Love brought us the IBM PC, which truly popularized personal computing. The IBM PC was accessible, affordable, and became a model for other computers. Their work set the standard for personal computers and helped establish the idea that every home or office could have a computer. Paul Allen and Bill Gates co-founded Microsoft in 1975, starting with a vision to bring computing power to every home and office. Their operating system, MS-DOS, and later Windows, became the most widely used software in personal computing. Their work democratized access to software and shaped the PC industry as we know it today. Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs co-founded Apple and released the Apple I, one of the earliest successful personal computers. Apple's user-friendly designs changed the perception of what a computer could be, making it an approachable tool for regular people. Their work with the Macintosh popularized graphical interfaces, paving the way for modern user experience. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989, transforming the Internet from a research tool into a global information network. His creation of HTTP and HTML protocols made it possible to connect and share information worldwide. Today, the web is integral to how we work, communicate, and access information. Linus Torvalds created Linux, an open-source operating system, in 1991. Linux became the backbone of countless servers, devices, and supercomputers, thanks to its flexibility and reliability. Torvalds' work fueled the open-source movement, inspiring developers to freely share and collaborate on software. Jeff Bezos launched Amazon Web Services in 1994, revolutionizing how businesses access computing power. AWS provides scalable cloud computing solutions, making it easier for companies to launch and manage their services without heavy infrastructure costs. This innovation has made cloud computing a key part of modern technology. Larry Page and Sergey Brin co-founded Google in 1998, introducing a search engine that fundamentally changed how we access information. Their PageRank algorithm transformed the Internet by prioritizing the most relevant content, making Google the go-to tool for searching online. Today, Google is synonymous with the Internet itself. Jimmy Wales co-founded Wikipedia in 2001, creating the world's largest online encyclopedia. Wikipedia is a collaborative platform that allows anyone to contribute knowledge, democratizing information access. This project has transformed how we learn and share information globally, proving that everyone can be a contributor. Mark Zuckerberg co-founded Facebook in 2004, which changed the way we connect and communicate online. Facebook's social networking platform allowed users to share their lives and engage with friends like never before. It has since evolved into a major force in social media, impacting how we connect and consume information. Steve Jobs returned to Apple and unveiled the iPhone in 2007, revolutionizing mobile computing. Combining a phone, an iPod, and an internet communicator, the iPhone set the standard for smartphones. Its intuitive design and app ecosystem transformed how we interact with technology daily. Elon Musk has made waves in both the space and automotive industries. With SpaceX, he aims to make space travel affordable and sustainable. Meanwhile, Tesla is leading the charge in electric vehicles, pushing for a more sustainable future. Musk's ventures are redefining technology and transportation, making him a key figure in modern innovation. Satya Nadella took the reins at Microsoft in 2014, focusing on cloud computing with Azure and advancing AI technology. Under his leadership, Microsoft has become a major player in cloud services, enabling businesses to harness the power of AI and machine learning. His vision for technology's future continues to shape the industry. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, has been at the forefront of advancements in AI and quantum computing. Under his leadership, Google has developed groundbreaking AI technologies that enhance everything from search to everyday applications. His work is steering Google towards a future where AI plays a central role in our lives. Elon Musk and Sam Altman co-founded OpenAI, aiming to advance artificial intelligence responsibly. With projects like ChatGPT and DALL-E, OpenAI is pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. Their work emphasizes the importance of ethical AI development while exploring new creative possibilities through technology. Fei-Fei Li led the creation of ImageNet, a large visual database that has fueled advancements in computer vision and deep learning. By providing a benchmark dataset, ImageNet has enabled significant improvements in how computers recognize and interpret images. Her contributions have helped shape AI research, leading to breakthroughs in machine learning applications. Demis Hassabis co-founded DeepMind, a company known for its cutting-edge AI research. In 2023, DeepMind's advancements in AI have led to breakthroughs in various fields, from healthcare to gaming. Their development of systems like AlphaGo has demonstrated the potential of AI to solve complex problems and enhance our understanding of intelligence itself. Jensen Huang, the co-founder of NVIDIA, has been a driving force behind the company's innovations in graphics processing and AI technology. In 2024, NVIDIA continues to lead in AI hardware and software, providing the tools necessary for machine learning and deep learning applications. Huang's vision has established NVIDIA as a powerhouse in the tech industry, significantly impacting gaming, AI, and data science. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the history of computing. From Babbage's mechanical designs to Berners-Lee's World Wide Web, and from the rise of cloud computing to the advances in AI, each of these pioneers contributed to the incredible technology we use every day. Their work has shaped our modern world and continues to inspire innovation as we look toward the future. Let's keep celebrating these brilliant minds and their contributions, and remain curious about the next big breakthrough in computing. Thank you. Presented by Oscar Sarin.